Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your name on Facebook, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your name on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to the menu. And once you're on the menu, I want you to scroll down and then you will now be able to see the settings and privacy. Just go and tap it. And then go to settings. And once you're on settings, I want you to tap the account center. And then tap profiles. And then tap your profile once again. And after that, you will now be able to see the name option right here, which is where you can edit or change your name on Facebook, so just go and tap it. And then there it is guys, you will now be able to see your Facebook name, so you can now change it to whatever you like. And by the way guys, you can only change your Facebook name once every 60 days, so make sure to enter the name that you really like, since you won't be able to change it for a long time after this. And once you're done entering your new name, you can now tap the review change button. And then tap save changes to completely change your name on Facebook. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Facebook name will now be successfully changed. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.